In this example, we're going to use the skills we have of simplifying in order to find the fraction of a quantity or an amount, but this time we don't know some of the values, so we've got letters to represent those numbers. So find 3/4 of 12 a squared b squared. 3/4, remember that funny little way of writing 3/4 needs to be rewritten properly with a horizontal line. And of means times. 3/4 of 12 a squared b squared, and that's over 1. It's not over anything, so it's over 1. Let's now break down some of these numbers into their prime factors. We've got 4, which becomes 2 times 2. We've got 12, which is 2 times 6, and 2 times 3. We've got a squared, which is just a times a. And we've got b squared, which is b times b. Now we can rewrite it in its broken down form. So we've got 3 over 2 times 2 multiplied by 2 times 2 times 3 times a times a times b over 1. Now, as with all fractions, if they're separated out, they can be put back together as one whole fraction. So we've got 3 times 2, 2, 3, a, b, and 2 times 2 times 1. Now we want to check and see whether we've got anything that's similar to each other that maybe can be simplified. We have a 2 and a 2 on the bottom, we have a 2 and a 2 on the top. So now let's rewrite those numbers, because the order doesn't matter, such that these can be cancelled out easily. So we'll rewrite the top line with the 2's first, then the 3's, the a's, and the b's, and the same with the bottom, 2, 2, 1. That now means that we can split the fraction again. So we can do 2 over 2 times 2 over 2 times 3 over 1 times, this is 3, not over anything now, it must be over 1. A is over 1, A is over 1, B is over 1, and B is over 1. That now allows us to cancel out 2 divided by 2, which is 1, 2 divided by 2, which is 1. And now, if we give ourselves a bit of space over here, we can actually bring this back together as a single fraction. We've got a 3, 3, A, B, B. And on the bottom, 1 times 1 times 1, everything is just times by. So that was a 1 over there. That's everything is times by 1. So our final answer, 3 times 3 is 9, A times A is A squared, B squared over 1, and we don't need to write that one.